Hey there, I'm excited to show you a quick demo on ClearMail for Gmail, which is a Chrome extension for decluttering your Gmail inbox. So how do I get started? It's really easy. After installing ClearMail from the Chrome Web Store, head over to Gmail and you'll see this pop-up icon. I'm currently on my social tab on my Gmail. Let me click this icon. I see two tabs here, ClearMail tab and Saved Mail Filters tab. ClearMail tab is currently empty, which is fine because I just did a fresh install. So I begin with step 1. I click Generate Report. Now this will work in the background for a few seconds. Quick note, we don't need any OAuth permissions here. Our extension reads your email metadata locally and all processing happens locally on your device, ensuring that no email data ever leaves your machine, giving you complete privacy. Now once this is done, I'll do step 2, which is click Open Report. So here I get a nice report telling me who are the senders sending me the most emails. And also I can see the repetitive subject emails. Now as part of step 3, you would typically load top 10 mail filters, top 20 mail filters, or load all from mail filters. You can also skip this step and by default all from mail filters will be already loaded into your ClearMail tab. Step 4, now I move back to my Gmail tab and click the pop-up icon. And now you can see ClearMail tab is loaded with all my filters. So you can see my most frequent senders here, and now I click on Start button. This will load the first filter and you can see all my emails from the sender, in this case LinkedIn, are here for me. Now I can delete these emails or read them together or even move them to some other Gmail label. Now I can hit next to move to the next mail filter. Similarly, I can use the previous button. This way you will be able to read or delete similar emails together, making it super easy to declutter your inbox. I also wanted to quickly cover one more feature, which is Save Mail Filters. These mail filters are your persistent mail filters that you can use at any point of time. You can add, edit, or delete your saved mail filters from here and also from the report. For example, I have this email that keeps popping up for which I have created a filter. So let me double click this. Now all filtered emails appear here and I can select all and hit delete. A quick tip, if the ClearMail pop-up is not responding, just refresh your Gmail tab and the extension should start working again. And remember, if you need any assistance, you can send us an email or head to the ClearMail Chrome Web Store page and click on Visit Support Hub at the bottom of the page. That's it, ready to clean up your inbox. Install ClearMail today, it's free.